Hey there, eco-enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for understanding the nuances of fertilizer usage and its impact on agriculture, the environment, and our health. Organic vs. synthetic fertilizers. Stick around as we explore the advantages and disadvantages, and why making the transition to organic fertilizers is a game changer. Understanding the basics. First things first, let's break down the basics. Organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources like plants and animals, while synthetic fertilizers are chemically formulated. The choice between the two has a significant impact on our crops, soil, and ultimately, our health. Advantages of organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers promote healthier soil by enhancing microbial activity. This results in nutrient-rich crops, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, they contribute to long-term soil fertility, reducing the need for constant application. 1. Environmentally friendly. Organic fertilizers are made from natural resources such as compost, manure, and organic waste. They help in maintaining soil health, reducing soil erosion, and reducing the use of chemical fertilizers. 2. Healthier crops. Healthier you. Organic fertilizers contain essential nutrients and minerals that are vital for healthy plant growth. They also have a higher water retention capacity, which helps prevent soil drying out during droughts. Think about it, when we opt for organic fertilizers, we're investing in our health. Organic crops are free from harmful chemical residues, providing us with nutritionally superior and safer food options. 3. Biodiversity. Organic farming promotes biodiversity as it involves using a variety of natural and organic methods to control pests and diseases. This diversity helps maintain the natural balance in the soil. Disadvantages of organic fertilizers. 1. Slow rate of release. Organic fertilizers take time to break down and release nutrients into the soil. This slow release can lead to nutrient depletion over time, especially in acidic soils. 2. Unpredictable results. The effectiveness of organic fertilizers can vary from season to season and from year to year. This can be challenging for farmers who need consistent crop yields. 3. High production costs. Organic fertilizers can be more expensive than synthetic fertilizers. Additionally, farmers may need to invest in specialized equipment and techniques to manage organic waste. Synthetic fertilizers. Advantages of synthetic fertilizers. 1. Fast rate of release. Synthetic fertilizers release nutrients quickly, helping to meet the immediate needs of crops. 2. Reliable results. Synthetic fertilizers have a consistent chemical composition, allowing for predictable results. They also control pests and diseases effectively. 3. Lower production costs. Synthetic fertilizers are generally more affordable than organic fertilizers. Moreover, they do not require specialized equipment or techniques. Disadvantages of synthetic fertilizers. On the flip side, synthetic fertilizers, though efficient in the short term, come with downsides. They can lead to chemical runoff, polluting water sources, and harming aquatic life. Moreover, they may disrupt the natural balance of soil microbes, impacting the overall ecosystem. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of synthetic fertilizers is undeniable. From soil degradation to water pollution, the consequences are severe. Choosing organic is a step towards healing our planet, ensuring a cleaner and greener future for generations to come. Reasons to make the switch. Feeling motivated to make a change? Let's explore some compelling reasons to switch to organic fertilizers. Sustainable agriculture. Organic farming practices are more sustainable in the long run. They promote biodiversity, reduce carbon footprint, and foster a harmonious relationship between agriculture and nature. It's a win-win for the planet and us. Soil regeneration. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can deplete soil over time, organic fertilizers contribute to soil regeneration. They enhance soil structure, water retention, and overall fertility, ensuring a healthier and more resilient foundation for our crops. Conclusion: organic and synthetic fertilizers have their own advantages and disadvantages. The choice between the two should be based on the farmer's specific needs, soil type, and crop requirements. It's essential to prioritize sustainable farming practices that address the needs of the environment, our health, and future generations. And there you have it, folks. The advantages of organic fertilizers are clear, and the need for a transition is more pressing than ever. By making the switch, we're not just nurturing our crops, but also sowing the seeds for a brighter, sustainable future. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more eco-friendly content, and share this message with your fellow green warriors. Let's join hands for a greener, healthier planet. Until next time, stay green and stay positive.